Welcome to this audiobook summary of Guns, Germs, and Steel by Jared Diamond. In this thought-provoking book, Diamond explores the reasons behind the different parts of human societies throughout history. He argues that geography, biology, and environment play crucial roles in shaping the fate of civilizations. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating insights from this remarkable work. The big question. Diamond begins by asking a simple yet profound question: why did some societies develop faster than others? Why did Europeans, with their advanced technology and powerful armies, conquer much of the world? Diamond seeks to answer this question by looking at the underlying factors that led to these differences, rather than attributing success to inherent qualities of certain peoples. Geography's influence. One of the key ideas in the book is the role of geography in shaping human societies. Diamond explains that the availability of resources like plants and animals greatly influence the development of agriculture. In regions where domesticated crops and animals were abundant, societies could settle down and form complex communities. This is in contrast to areas where resources were scarce, leading to a more nomadic lifestyle. For example, in the Fertile Crescent, a region in the Middle East, people had access to wheat, barley, sheep, and goats. This abundance allowed for early farming, which in turn led to population growth and the establishment of cities. In contrast, regions with less favorable conditions, like parts of Australia or sub-Saharan Africa, struggled to develop agriculture in the same way. The importance of domestication. Diamond highlights the significance of domesticating plants and animals. Societies that successfully domesticated these resources had a considerable advantage. They could produce more food, support larger populations, and develop specialized roles within their communities. In contrast, societies that relied on hunting and gathering had a harder time achieving the same level of complexity. The domestication process wasn't just about plants and animals, it also involved the spread of ideas and technology. As societies interacted with one another, they exchanged knowledge, tools, and practices, which further accelerated their development. The rise of states and technology. As agriculture flourished, societies began to form states. With larger populations came the need for governance, leading to the development of complex political structures. Diamond explains that with these advancements came new technologies. Writing, metalworking, and other innovations emerged, allowing societies to manage resources and communicate more effectively. However, not all societies developed these technologies at the same rate. Diamond argues that the geographical layout of regions played a vital role. For example, the east-west axis of Eurasia facilitated the spread of crops and ideas, while the north-south axis of Africa and the Americas presented challenges due to varying climates and ecosystems. The role of germs. One of the most surprising aspects of Diamond's argument is the role of germs in shaping history. He explains that societies with domesticated animals were exposed to various diseases, leading to immunity over time. When these societies came into contact with others, they brought their germs along. This often had devastating effects on less immune populations. For instance, when Europeans arrived in the Americas, they unintentionally introduced diseases like smallpox, which decimated indigenous populations. This biological advantage allowed European powers to conquer and colonize vast territories with relative ease. The impact of guns and steel. The title of the book refers to the technological advantages, guns and steel, that European societies possessed. Diamond argues that these innovations were a direct result of the agricultural and political developments that preceded them. Societies with stronger states and more resources could invest in advanced weaponry and tools, giving them an edge in conflicts. However, Diamond emphasizes that these advantages were not due to any racial or cultural superiority. Instead, they were products of historical circumstances and environmental factors that shaped the development of different societies. Lessons learned. Guns, Germs, and Steel teaches us valuable lessons about the nature of human history. Diamond encourages readers to look beyond simplistic explanations for the success of certain societies. By understanding the complex interplay of geography, environment, and biology, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the factors that have shaped our world. Conclusion. In conclusion, Jared Diamond's Guns, Germs, and Steel provides a compelling framework for understanding the inequalities in human societies. By examining the roles of geography, agriculture, disease, and technology, Diamond reveals the intricate tapestry of history that has led to our present-day world. Thank you for joining me in this audiobook summary. If you found these insights valuable, please subscribe for more engaging content. Remember, history is not just about the powerful and the fortunate, it's about the many factors that influence our shared human journey. Thank you for listening.